quick little second channel action. I have 2 packs of Ninja Spinner. I'm gonna actually take these price tags off so I can get a good thumbnail. Yeah, I paid $5 for them at a local card shop. You know. I don't think they weigh their packs. I hope they don't. Very awkward setup, to be honest. I have like the mic stand way up, it's blocking my face. Anyways, we got Tatsugiri, Raticate, and a Weevil EX watching us. So we're just gonna be watching us rip open packs today. First off, I hate opening Japanese packs because they're literally impossible. Alright. What is that? A Fennekin, Woobat, Beaver Pokemon, Net. What is that? Skuntank? Okay, next. I'm gonna actually cut these with scissors. Hold on! And then Evolution of Froakie, Chespin, Beldum, Ampharos AR, and a Crobat. Oh my gosh! No way. Look at that. That's beautiful. Alright, anyways, I gotta go. Apparently, my 5 minutes to open packs wasn't enough time. So, I will see y'all later. Like, subscribe for Ninja Spinner. I'll probably open Chaos Rising when it comes out. Alright, I'll see y'all later.